grip, aim, stance. It's on fire. Hope it's not anymore. I'm very optimistic that this project is going to be a hole-in-one, but if it's anything like my golf game, all of this will end up in the water. Hi, I'm Eric. I'm going to use these marshmallow roasting sticks to make marshmallow roasting sticks that are way cooler. So originally I was just going to use the heads, and I thought this is a good piece to just throw away. Where do you find golf clubs? Try the thrift store, try a yard sale, try Grandpa's golf bag if he's not looking. Lots of places to find them. I got these from the jungle, Amazon. I mean, there's nothing fancy about them. Telescoping, wooden handle. But I'm taking the wooden handle off because I just want the fork. I just grab it with a channel lock. You can use any pliers. I'm just using my glue bottle channel lock. I don't want to hurt the metal, so I just put a rag on it, pinch it, and then just twist the glue off. There. You just break that glue. I'm just using a regular cutoff wheel without a guard because safety second. Am I right? On my Ryobi grinder, man, I use this every day for something. So handy. And it has taken some of my flesh and blood. Love you, buddy. All right, so simple cutoff wheel, grinder. I'm just going to hold it tight to my body. It cuts like butter. It's going to go right through it. Sparks are going to fly. Boom, here we go. That it is. Some of them, I don't know if they were cheating and stuffed it with stuff, but some of these are full. No, I'm kidding. I don't know why some are full, but they're easy to drill out for this project if you need to. All right, here we go. A couple things when you're cutting them. Hold it tight so this doesn't get away. Wear safety glasses. Just be aware where the sparks are going. They bounce right off of this, but if I did it all day, it might start on fire. Sparks will hurt if it touches your skin. I'm just used to it. Last one. This is it. Are you ready? I'm going to recollect these. If you've noticed, my whole collection had their heads cut off. So I want some more. I used all my golf clubs on a project. Can we go get some more? You hated it that I had all these too. Mine's always going. It's kind of fun seeing all these. I mean, I've used them as hooks before to just hang them in like a wind chime. Let me show you what I do next. I cut all these off. Just grab a couple randos here. I use my clear Gorilla Glue. I like it because it expands when wet. So I'll show you what I do there. I just want to get this wet, so I dip it in the water bottle so the tip's wet. Take one of these guys. I'm going to put a little little dibble, drip, drop, tiny bit. And then I'm going to spin it in here just to coat the glue in there real good. And I'd probably be okay if I just did that. But I don't know, anytime something's going out of my hands into a client's, it's like just overthink it, over-engineer it, whatever you want to say. I'm going to put a rivet in there. So to do that, I'm going to use my little Rockler spring punch. This thing's so handy. I use it for brad nails, just like pounding in nails. But it also has a point. Great point starter. So my other idea was to hold it here. And the reason I did this, I'll show you. See how it makes a little dent? That allows me to get my drill bit on there real good. Again, I do it way over the top. I drill a hole all the way through both. Real simple. Just kidding. What is happening? I must have dulled my blade or something. Let's try a new one. Trying to figure out what the heck's going on. I'll try the old drill bit and just see. Yep, it's over. Design is fluid. We tried to drill and rivet. It was a fail. I'm having the hardest time drilling through this using all kinds of different bits. It's not working. So easier solution. came up with. To fix the no drill, yeah, I don't know. There must be a trick to drilling stainless steel. I will find that out. But some are like butter, some are reinforced. Anyway, it's not efficient to drill and rivet, so I'll show you what I came up with. Same deal. Take your golf handle, dip it in the water, just get it wet, add a dab of Gorilla Glue. And then we're going to take our little Rockler spring punch tool. So you're going to pinch it with your fingers and hold it in place and just tap it. Little divot starts. So I'll set it right there in the center. You got to hold it with your fingers. Bang it a couple times and you can see there's a little divot started. And that holds it. So now you can hold it up a little bit higher. Smack it. That's about the divot I want right there. So that's pushed through this metal into this metal. And then we'll turn it 180 degrees. Do it on the back. There you go. And then this Gorilla Glue will expand overnight. Rock solid. Look at that. I like these guys. And you just get a golf bag. Dormant. The fun thing about design is you got all this stuff in your head, you throw it out on the table, and then you gotta redesign. Fluid, like a river. Like, oh, I'm gonna have some rapids, couple turns, and then there it is. I hope that was fun. I hope you guys make some marshmallow sticks. If it was fun, come back for some more videos. I'm gonna have a boatload of these cool pieces too, so we'll see. Stay tuned what these turn into.